Do you spend a lot of time on your phone? What if we told you that you could make money from your phone? In this video, we'll show you 4 apps that can help you earn extra cash. Number 1. First up is Swagbucks. This app lets you earn points by watching videos, taking surveys, playing games, and more. You can redeem your points for gift cards or cash through PayPal. It's a great way to earn some extra money in your spare time. Number 2. The second app on our list is Foap. Do you like taking photos? With Foap, you can sell your photos to brands and individuals around the world. The app takes a 50% commission on your sales, but it's a great way to make some passive income from your photography hobby. Number 3. Third on our list is Gigwalk. This app lets you find gigs in your area, such as taking photos of a restaurant or checking the prices of products in a store. You can earn anywhere from $3 to $100 per gig, depending on the complexity of the task. It's a great way to earn some extra cash on the go. Number 4. Finally, we have Ibotta. This app lets you earn cash back on your purchases at grocery stores, online retailers, and more. You simply upload a photo of your receipt, and Ibotta will credit your account with cash back. You can cash out your earnings through PayPal or for gift cards to popular retailers. There you have it. 4 apps to help you make money from your phone. Give them a try and let us know in the comments which one worked best for you. Thanks for watching.